the history of the steam engine. Do you know who was created the first commercial, successful steam locomotive? The answer is George Stephenson. George Stephenson and his son Robert's company. The first steam locomotive carried passengers on a public rail line from Stockton to Darlington Railway in 1825. Do you know who invented the first successful steam engine? Today, we learn the history of the steam engine. The great inventions that came about during the Industrial Revolution was the steam engine. The first commercial steam engine appeared in 1698. The steam engine was the most important technologies of the Industrial Revolution, which changed the world. The first steam-powered machine was built in 1698 by the English military engineer, Thomas Savery. An English inventor patented a device that allowed for the use of steam to pump water. The steam engine that he created was used to remove water from mines. A few years later, in 1712, Thomas Newcomen improved it. He increased efficiency by setting a moving piston inside a cylinder. This technique still in use today. Further, engine was improved by the name of James Watt, starting in 1763. It was Watt's improvement to the steam engine that opened the door to the invention of steam locomotives.